Hi everyone, my name is Chace Wolfe. I'm a licensed massage therapist and I have a background in gymnastics and martial arts. I've spent years learning how the human body moves, heals, and performs. Now I'm at a point in my life where I want to share all of this information that I've learned with all of you. Not too long ago, I suffered a serious injury where I thought I would never walk again in my life. It was one of the hardest things I have ever faced. But through physical therapy, belief, hard work, and stretching, I was able to rebuild myself stronger than ever before. This experience has changed everything for me. It has taught me how much of a responsibility we have over our own health and recovery. And that's why I'm here today, starting my channel and starting to share my information with all of you to help give you a healthier and happier life. And I'm also excited to share with you all the company I started back in 2021. It's called the I Love Birds Company. I started it to help spread the awareness of bird conservation and reconnect people with their local ecosystems and their environment. At the end of the day, I truly believe I was put on this earth to make the world a better place. If any of the information that I share helps only one person, then it is all worth it. I would really appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned because I'm going to make a lot more videos. And if you guys have any questions about health, fitness, or anything of the above, just please put it in the comments below. And if you have any information about I Love Birds Company, I'm a one-man army. So just send me an email or a message through the website and I'll get back to you. I really appreciate your support and I hope to see you all in future videos. Bye-bye.